Hey, Spy Ninjas, Melvin is about to shave his beard to save Regina. I don't even know what's going on right now.
Melvin has chosen to shave his beard and join Project Zorgo forever in order to free Regina.
Get us both out of here!
You may commence. But first, we need some hackers to film this. Right over there.
What, y'all want popcorn or something?
Here.
Oh no, Melvin, you don't have to do this! You love your beard!
I do, but not as much as I love family. Scully Crossbones forever!
Scully Crossbones!
Ah!
Oh my god!
That looks gross! Ah!
Oh my god!
Get him out of here.
Melvin, let me go! Melvin shaved his beard, now let me go!
Free her before I change my mind. Do not forget to place the tracking device on her wrist.
Oh, I wouldn't forget that, leader.
What? Tracking device? We never agreed to a tracking device! No!
We'll be tracking you everywhere you go.
If you attempt to remove the device, you will receive a powerful shock. Now go back to the safe house, so we can know the location. Ha ha ha.
You'll never find out.
Escort her out of here.
Let's get her out of here.
That was the most insane thing I have ever witnessed. The sacrifice that he made to save a family member. So touching. I don't even know what to do. This is my chance to get out of here and regroup with the rest of the Spy Ninjas and get a plan together to save Melvin and get him back to becoming a Spy Ninja. Alright guys, I made it out of the headquarters. I'm so glad Regina escaped. She's gotta be around here somewhere. Regina! Regina! I wonder where Melvin is right now too. Where the heck's Chad and Daniel? Regina! Are you around here? Wait. Oh, there you are.
I'm right in front of you.
I was expecting somebody more colorful. I forgot that you were in hacker gear still.
I can't believe Melvin saved me. He shaved his beard for me.
Yeah, maybe you guys are brother and sisters after all.
We have to save him.
Let's go back to the safe house and come up with a plan. We need to thoroughly think this out. Ow! What? Did you trip?
No, I forgot. I have this tracker on me. It just shocked me. I can't go back to the safe house with this. They're gonna know where we live.
Let's try to figure out how to deactivate it somehow. All right, I have a little table here. Let's sit here and figure out how to get this thing off of you.
Ah! Look, it's glowing red. What is this? It has numbers on it. I don't know what it means. It's not 8:04 right now. It's counting.
What? It's counting up. What's going on?
I don't know.
Okay, let's get it off of you.
Get it off! Get it off!
Okay. All right, let's see what I got in my Spy Ninja backpack here.
Take it off. Hurry up.
try
Use
this?
your lockpicking skills.
Okay, got one in. Now I'm gonna need this little jiggler here. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
How come it's rejecting all of this? Nothing fits. What kind of lock is this?
E, hurry up.
I'm flipping and then I'm reversing and nothing's happening.
Oh gosh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I think this should work. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Oh!
The shock got stronger.
Oh my gosh! Maybe lockpicking is not the right thing to
No,
do.
it knows when you're tampering with it. Hope I have an arm after this.
Oh gosh. We need you with an arm. We need someone to battle royale. Okay,
And hack.
what about some lotion here? I have some SPF, to loosen it up. Maybe we can slide it off of your wrist.
Ew.
Ew, this is SPF.
It feels weird.
It's Daniel, so it's probably weird.
Smells like him.
All right, ready? I'm gonna slide it off.
Ready? And
Ah! Slide! Slide! Come on! Ah!
it shocked me again.
What the heck? Does it know that we're trying to get it off?
I think so. It hurt me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll put it back. Okay, hold on. Let me see what else I got. This is a portable liquid nitrogen can. So maybe I can just spray it all over this and freeze it, and then we can break it off.
Be careful. You know what you're doing, right?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Professional. Yeah.
Okay.
Everything in this backpack I am a master of.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, look, it's freezing. Ah!
Okay.
Okay, it's freezing.
Freezing it. It's working. Look.
Oh! Now, maybe pound it on the table to break it.
Okay, I'm just gonna go real hard.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Oh no!
It shocked me again.
Oh no!
Nothing's working.
I don't have anything else in my backpack.
I don't want this on me forever.
Oh no, wait. Shh. Did you hear that? It's like a Michael Jackson.
You know who that is? Don't move around. They're probably tracking me because right now they know my location at all times.
Oh my gosh. Should we be on the move then?
If it's just boom, then I think we're fine.
Oh, wait, is that him?
I don't know it here.
Wow, they're obviously tracking us.
I know, they're pretending to read books, but they're just keeping an eye out because they're tracking me.
Good idea on the crosswords.
I already complete that one.
Obviously, they're spying on us. They're really bad at pretending to reading books.
They're obviously spying on us.
Yeah, the book is upside down. Try to act natural. We gotta be like better than them.
They're looking. No!
Oh, we should go back to the safe house.
No, we can't because there's a tracker. We must take it out.
Oh yes, let me unlock this.
They tried to take off the tracking device.
We need to come up with a plan, V.
So since we know that they know, we should trick them and use what we know against them.
Maybe we can like set them up and put them to a trap because they're gonna follow this at all times.
That's right.
I have an idea.
What?
Where's my phone? I've done this before where I duplicate the signal
Oh.
and put it on something else. So if I just get the signal from this, hack onto it, and transfer it to my Reggie's Radical Remote Racer,
Ooh.
I can just drive the car and they'll follow it wherever.
What a great idea. Okay, let's do it. Let's get the hacking skills.
Duplicated and transfer.
Did it work?
Let me check. I think it worked. And then we can film everything through this GoPro. Let's do this.
Okay, they're right over there.
Gotta be sneaky about this.
Yeah.
Let's see how far this thing can go, where we could lead Foomfin 76. Go, Reggie's Racer, go! Off she goes! So proud of her.
It's moving. The tracking device moving.
I upgraded it so we can boost it to like 30 miles per hour.
30 miles per hour versus like 0.3 miles per hour at
Yeah.
the moment. That's so
Huge
awesome.
upgrade.
Yeah, huge upgrade.
Let's watch everything through our phone and let's take a look at what 76 and Foomf do.
Okay.
They're not over there anymore. Let's follow. Maybe we find out where safe house is. This way. Where is she? She's somewhere here.
I don't sense it.
Keep looking.
I'm searching.
We can't lose her.
Go. Hide.
There's a tree.
They're totally falling for it.
I know.
They're following the Reggie Racer.
It's totally working.
But they don't know that the signal is in the Reggie Racer right now.
Yeah,
so
they think-
they're looking for us.
Yep.
Just gonna push it to the limit.
Push it fast and furious.
Go.
Whoa, whoa! They're not even following it. What? They're just standing there talking. Let's get a little closer.
They go really fast now. 30 miles per hour.
Speedy.
Oh.
Gosh, I've met this one. He's PZ9.
Oh, I met this guy too. I battle with him.
He's like the snake hacker.
Yeah, he's like.
I don't know. He scares me.
He does.
But he's with Foomf, so like evens it out a little bit.
Yeah, Foom's really not a fighter.
But it's totally working. They don't even know we're hiding behind this tree.
I think they're in a car. We can't catch up to them with our leg. Let's just keep an eye out. Let's see where they're going. Okay, come on, let's get comfortable.
They're moving.
Let's follow them. Stealth mode.
Oh,
Not monkey mode. Stealth mode.
that's my crab walk.
Oh, sorry.
It's
Okay.
very stealthy.
Okay. Oh, wait. There's a garbage can. Let's get close to it.
Let's see where they go. On the map, we can see just where they're going so we can find out their location.
Speed it up already.
I have the GoPro footage on my phone, the feed.
Oh, let's drive it far, far away. Give them a scenic view.
Oh, nice. We made it to the mountains.
You think they live in the mountains? They're not here anymore. What are you looking for?
I smell spy ninjas.
Maybe it smells like sauerkraut. You're right. Daniel here. Probably in trash can.
Wow, wait. Be careful. You're gonna drive off a cliff or something. Maybe that's a good idea.
You think so?
They might think that we're driving off a cliff.
But then that's the end of the Reggie's Radical Racer as we know it.
Oh, we can get you a new one?
Oh, okay. I need an upgrade anyways.
Yeah, that's true. It's kind of covered in tape right now.
Where's the signal going? There's no houses there. It looks like a dead end.
That's weird. Where are they going?
Okay.
How's it going?
I mean, I don't know, V. It's the Reggie Racer.
You can do it. It's fine.
Okay.
Go faster.
They keep going fast and fast. Do they not know there's no end? They keep going. Stop the car. Stop the car.
Faster!
Faster!
Pushing the...
Yes! You can do it! Drive it off the cliff! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! He did it! Oh my gosh! That's so awesome!
It took a huge tumble into a huge body of water.
It's totally worth it. Wait. Oh my gosh, look at them!
Did she just...
Sayonara.
Nice!
Oh, it's totally working.
They're totally shook right now.
Oh my god.
What just happened? I mean, it looked crazy.
Yeah. Do they really think we're bad drivers or something?
We did that! We did that! I don't want that to happen!
Success.
Oh, you're really scary, man! No!
Suck it up.
Foomp actually cares.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
He didn't want us to fall off a cliff.
Yeah.
You know, he does have a heart, I think, out of all the hackers.
Yeah, that snake guy, though, he doesn't care at all. Project Zorgo's kind of evil.
Yeah.
I know they were bad, but I didn't think they were evil.
Ruthless. They don't care about us.
Yeah.
The Reggie Racer signal is down. That means it's gonna come back here.
Are you saying that they might be able to figure out where we are now?
Yeah.
Instead of being dead?
Exactly. I don't know what to do.
Wait. I know what to do. I have a plan.
Okay.
Wait here.
Nice V. She's using her stealth skills to hide under the table.
Okay, guys. I'm underneath the table right now. PZ76. And boom, it's right there. I'm gonna tie their shoes together. It's gonna slow them down. So if they find out that me and Regina are here, at least we can get a few steps ahead of them, right? I'm actually gonna try it now.
I never watch the Qwaint video again? That's horrible! I want to watch squishy video!
Oh yeah, that's right. Foom loves my squishy videos. Is that why he doesn't want us to be dead? Because he just wants good videos from the Spy Ninjas?
Man, Foom really loves that squishy video. He must be subscribed to us. Are you guys subscribed? If you're not, take your phone, turn it this way. If the subscribe button is red, click it and make it turn gray. And now you're part of the Spy Ninja fam, like Foomf.
I mean, what am I going to watch on YouTube now?
Watch mukbangs
That's what you watch?
and ASMR. I love ASMR.
You start ASMR channel maybe.
Yes, the leader will be pleased that the Spy Ninjas are silenced.
My favorite ones got silenced. Now we only have Chad and Daniel, the worst ones.
Oh my gosh, it's really hard tying these shoes together with only one hand.
I don't want to just watch Spy Ninja video with just Chad and Daniel. You know how boring that is?
What are you talking about? Foom, it's mean. Gosh, Daniel and Chad makes great YouTube videos. Oh, how can they say that? I thought Foom was nice. You know, maybe he's not. Maybe he's just pretending to be nice. Because I think Chad and Daniel are awesome.
Man, Foop is going on and on about the Spy Ninjas and how he's gonna miss us.
Chad and Daniel are losers.
Yeah, man.
Got it. Stealthy Spy Ninja for the win. Yes.
V looks like she's got things under control, but I do have something in my backpack that could help the situation. Come with me. I got the slingshot that we used from ninja training when we used it to sling watermelon at a dummy hacker. I think this will come in handy.
Alright guys, I better get out of here. I need to back with Regina.
I mean, be quiet. I mean, I never got to tell her I love her in her videos.
Wait. Did he just say he loves me? Oh, I want to hear this.
But don't tell anyone I tell you this, okay? I know she had crush on me. I never got to tell her how much I love her. What does it matter? She's dead anyway.
What? Foom really thinks I'm dead? Oh my gosh. Well, everybody knows you love me now, Foom. Sorry. When you watch this video, everyone's gonna know. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave.
Don't tell anyone.
Oh, Regina. Wait, where'd she go? Regina, what are you doing?
Check it out!
The slingshot!
Got the slingshot ready. We can fling some stuff at them.
Oh, that's awesome! It was so fun the last time I used this on a bunch of hackers.
Look what I have in my backpack. Watermelon.
Wait, you carry pre-cut watermelon in your backpack?
Yeah, you never know when you're gonna need a snack or something to fling at hackers.
Yes, I like that. I'm not sure about the snack thing, though.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. This is gonna be so fun.
Oh, the signal is back.
Wait for this. Look.
I got notification! Ah! They're back from the dead! The signal! It's here!
Impossible.
Look! Did they trick us? What?
Oh. Nice, you tied their shoelaces together.
Yeah!
You tied my shoelace together, man!
No,
Get me out of this, man!
I'm trying. It must have been those silly spy ninjas.
That's great. Now we have a head start. Now we can fling this at them.
They trick us! I really wish they fell off the cliff now!
I'm gonna set you guys down right here. All right. Ready, Regina?
They're coming, V.
Okay.
Go. Okay,
All right.
they're coming.
All right, go.
3, 2,
1. It hit me. You are clumsy.
I don't know how to do this. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Oh!
Yes! Nice. Foop is down.
Oh! My head! You do that?
Of course not.
Watermelon! You know who like watermelon?
Return. 3, 2, 1.
Mom, are you okay?
Oh my gosh, he's down.
My spleen.
What? They're here!
Foop is back up.
Oh no, you go get him.
3, 2, 1. God, they're like piles of bombs on top of each other.
All right, let's go. The slingshot is so awesome.
I know, it totally worked, but I can't go back to the safe house with this.
Oh no. Yeah, we gotta figure it out. And where is Chad and Daniel? We should meet up with them soon.
Okay, yeah, call Chad and Daniel.
Yeah, where are they? Where have they been?
I don't know. They haven't even called us yet.